Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. As the opening ceremony is coming to a close, and before we screen the opening film, I'll steal a few moments to express my sincere gratitude to all those people who have made this festival a reality. At the outset, let me express my heartfelt thanks to Honorable. Thank you. My heartfelt thanks to Honorable Minister for Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, Shri Manish Tiwari Sahab, who with his vision and his unstinted support in taking this festival to every nook and corner of India, and by having provided facilities to take it through webcasting to every nook and corner of the world, has made it really a global festival. Thank you very much, sir, for this. The CFSI will ever be benefited by this endeavor of yours. I also express my thanks to Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Kiran Kumar Reddy Sahab, who has always tried that we hold this festival in Hyderabad in a very jestful and cheerful atmosphere, and he has lent all the support that is required by his visionary leadership. I express my sincere thanks to the Minister for INPR, Srimati D. Karuna Madam, that she has been a leading light to the members of cultural community who have been part of organizing this festival. Thank you, ma'am. All my thanks to Shri Bimal Julka Sahab, the Secretary, Government of India, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, who has not only provided unstinted support at every step, but has taken care that every minutest detail is well thought and well executed. I would also like to thank the Chief Secretary, Government of Andhra Pradesh, Shri P.K. Mohanty Sahab, who has given unflinching support during all the organizing committee meetings in whatever proposals we put forward, and made this a really grand event. Thank you so much, sir. And now let me thank the Film Development Corporation of Andhra Pradesh, the Chairman Shri Shiv Shankar Saab, the MD Dana Kishore, who has made this organization really a better event than what it has been in all its last 9 editions. I would also like to thank my own team from CFSI, chaired by Shri Amol Gupte Sahab, who unfortunately could not come due to ill health. And any thanks without invoking all the children who have come from all the nook and corner of India as well as the whole world would really be incomplete. Therefore, I would propose this vote of thanks, which has been penned down by Subhadra Kumari Chauhan, which I had read in my childhood in textbooks. For those who do not understand Hindi, I would like to say that the poetry is about celebrating childhood. I would just quote few lines from her poem, which I would like to dedicate as a vote of thanks. बार बार आती है मुझको मधुर याद बचपन तेरी, गया ले गया तू जीवन की सबसे मस्त खुशी मेरी। चिंता रहित खेलना खाना, वह फिरना निर्भय स्वच्छंद, कैसे भूला जा सकता है बचपन का अतुलित आनंद। But this vote of thanks, when I narrated to Guljar Saab, he told me just a while ago when we were having a press conference at Hotel Park that the times have changed. Children have really moved on. They are more transparent and more forthright. So he has penned down for all of us 2 lines, which it is my honor to recite on his behalf, if I have permission, sir. He has written it in Urdu. I have translated it in, I have written it in Devanagari, and I'll just read it for you. अपने समय को बचपन से कुछ ऐसे चखते हैं, अपने समय को बचपन से कुछ ऐसे चखते हैं, एक कदम है चांद पे, दूसरा मार्स पे रखते हैं। Thank you so much, Guljar Saab, for having given the children a very inspiring poem at the occasion of 18th Golden Elephant. Thank you all very much. Now I'll request that after the opening film, which is Gopi Gavaiya, Bagha Bajaiya, we will have dinner at Jubilee Hall. Thank you.